Amana, self-help videos.
If your new Amana refrigerator won't operate after you install it, try these solutions first before calling for service. First, make sure your plug works. Try plugging in a light. If there's no power to the outlet, you may have tripped a circuit breaker. If this is the case, reset the breaker, then plug the refrigerator in the outlet. If your refrigerator plug is tied into a ground fault system, make sure all your ground fault plugs have the trip button set properly. If you have power and your refrigerator is still not working, your control may not be on. Check the control and make sure that it is in the on position. If these procedures don't work, then it's time to call for service.
Amana, self-help videos. Remember, always refer to your use and care guide.